Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect an Epson WF-3823 printer to Wi-Fi. But before we start this video, I want to invite you to subscribe or become a member of our channel. Without further ado, let's get started. The first step we will take is to go to the main panel. Now we will press the down arrow. And we press the settings option. Now we press General Settings. Then Network Settings. Then Wi-Fi Setup. Now we have to select Wi-Fi, recommended. And now we have to select Change Settings. Now we press Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. We select our Wi-Fi network. Now we enter the Wi-Fi network password and press OK. When this message appears, our connection will be OK and we will need to press Close. Now we go to the Home button. A window will pop up where we will have to press Reject and Yes. With these steps, our printer will be connected to Wi-Fi. I hope this was helpful, and as always, I invite you to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.